Okay.
So here we are going to demonstrate about a hybrid power generation system. The main components of our project are solar panel. So the solar panel is a photovoltaic diode. Whenever the light falls on this photovoltaic diode, it is going to emit the electrons. So these emitted electrons will be stored into the battery via charging circuit. So here we have totally 3 points which is placed over here. So one for the solar panel. So there is another power generation system in this plant. It is called an piezoelectric plate terminals, where you can see the output. When you stamp on it, the LED will be glow. So this is how it is going to generate the voltage. Remove the LED terminal and place over here. And there is another terminal which is an wind turbine. So whenever the wind is going to be rotate, the power supply is being generated. So this again you have to place over here. So whenever the sunlight and the piezoelectric plate and the wind turbine is going to emit the voltage, so these all emitted voltage can be stored into the battery by using a charging circuit terminal present over here. So before placing the battery, here you can see the generation of the solar, wind and the piezo is being demonstrated by using a charging circuit, so which consists of an DB107 bridge rectifier, 1000 microfarads capacitor and one PN junction diode to get reverse current into the circuit. And these are the terminals where you can connect the battery. So this indicates the battery is fully charged over here. So this is how the project is being demonstrated by using a solar, wind and piezo.